longer a future threat but a current crisis. Many areas are being affected by this climate change, and some of the effects we have: global warming, frequent flooding and drought. And specifically, we are facing frequent floods, which are caused due to heavy rains. Some of the areas affected are Bundibugyo, Kampala, Kasese, among others. And these are mostly in the hilly areas like Rwenzori regions and Elgon regions. Some of the effects we are facing due to frequent floods, we have death of people, displacement of people, and also destruction of property. In some of these areas, there are a lot of things that happen due to these frequent floods. For example, between 2013 and 2022, 800 people lost their lives due to these frequent floods. So there was need to find a quick, efficient and long-lasting solution for this. That's why we came up with a flood alarm.
While our government is bent on sensitizing people to seize activities that have contributed to frequent flooding, many water sources have continued to overflow, such as the streams and rivers, posing a grave threat to the lives and properties of people. With the urgency of such a situation at hand, our innovative idea is to develop and install a state-of-the-art sensor system designed to measure water levels and the flow rate of water at each and every individual tributary. This creates a gap, a real-time proactive solution, hence our flood alarm system.
This is how it works. It has a sensor which collects the water volume and also collects the water flow rate, and then it sends this information to a computer and then makes an informed decision. The water levels are normal, it will show green, and this means that the river or stream is safe for public use. When the water levels increase slightly, it will show yellow, and this means the river or stream is at a danger of flooding. When the water levels increase and become too extreme, it will show red, and this will mean that the river is flooding and all the people around need to evacuate immediately. When the water levels become too extreme, it will show red, and then it will activate a buzzer, and this will indicate that the river has already started flooding and people need to evacuate immediately.
When people assemble safe places, lives can